Hi, this is Jim at Encore Packaging, and today we're taking a look at the EP2000 Sealless combination tool. So what a combination tool is means that we've got both our tensioning and our sealing together here in one tool, and what the sealless aspect means is that you don't actually need an additional metal clip to create your seal with your tool. So let me show you how it works. So you're going to take your 3/4 inch strap here. The tool can be set up for 1/2 inch, 5/8, or 3/4, and I've got it set up with the strap guide here for 3/4. So first thing you're going to do is squeeze your handle here to open the tool, slide your strap in there. Once you have it inside of that strap guide, this back handle here is going to be your tension, and you're just going to crank that until you get it where you want it. And then this front handle here is going to be both your sealer and your cutter. So that goes forward, so you hear that cut, and then you just slide it to the side. If I tilt that up there, you can see how that seal looks, the way that it makes it without having to use the actual clip. And then you can see where it cuts it off and actually bends it down a little bit. Even though I'm wearing gloves, even if I weren't, I wouldn't be able to cut myself on that edge, so it really does make a nice, safe edge. So we offer a couple of combination tools at Encore. The EP2000 we consider to be our heavy duty tool, as it does go up to 3/4 025 high tensile steel strap. So again, this is the EP2000 sealless combination tool. Thank you.